हेलो एवरीवन। क्या आपको इंडाइजेशन इशू है? कभी एसिडिटी रहती है, कभी गैस, कभी ब्लोटिंग, कभी आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहता है, या आपको मेंटल हेल्थ इशू है, कभी सैडनेस फील करते हो, डिप्रेस्ड फील करते हो, या ऑफिस में काम करते वक्त आप कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाते हो, माइंड बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्टेड रहता है, या आप कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले पाते हो, या आपकी मेमोरी वीक हो गई है, या आपको कुछ और मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर्स हैं जैसे डायबिटीज़ हो गया, या आपको ब्लड प्रेशर की प्रॉब्लम है, हाइपरटेंशन है, अगर यस then I will tell you a one-stop solution for all your problem, and that solution is fasting. Yes, fasting at least once every week is a very good solution for majority of your health issues. Now why? Now once we fast, then the sensitivity towards the insulin increases. That means your cells will start accepting the insulin, and that is why you will be able to manage your diabetes better. You will be reducing the risk of diabetes. Number 2, the fat loss is promoted by the oxidation of the fat happening, and also your calorie intake for that day will be less, so you will be able to manage your weight also. Then very important, when we are fasting, our gut, our digestive system gets time to heal itself, and it improves the inflammation of the body, reducing the infection, and also repairs the leaky gut when we are fasting on a long run. Then very important thing, when we are fasting, the cells of the body undergo repair and longevity. That means the cells of the body undergo autophagy. They start eating their own damaged cell and thus promoting the repair. Since we know that the gut and the brain are connected to each other, so when the gut improves by fasting, the brain health also improves. So your concentration issues, attention issues, these all things will improve. Even your memory will improve, ultimately reducing the risk of any of the neurodegenerative disorders in the later age of life. But one thing very important you need to keep in mind, that once you are breaking your fast in the night or the another day, you need to have something lighter meal rather than having all these puri parathas and everything. Please have light soup, or just have light semi sauteed salads or steamed veggies, because once you are fasting, that means your gut is in a resting stage. Now when you eat a heavy meal, your gut can get shocked or overwhelmed with digestion, leading to a lot of bloating, gas, constipation. Then when you are eating a heavy meal after the full day of fasting, or maybe 1 to 2 days of fasting, then energies which are being used in different forms of activities in the body, they are then diverted towards the digestion of the food, leaving you feeling fatigued or tired. So you might not get the whole benefit of fasting once you eat something heavy after breaking your fast. So hope this was helpful, this was informative, and please do include a day of fasting in your routine, in your daily week, and also share with lots of your friends and family who are struggling with lot of their health issues. This might can be a solution to their problems. Please share and subscribe to our channel and help us to bring a lot of such health information for you, so that you can improve your health. थैंक यू। फिर मिलते हैं इन टी टाइम एंड गॉसिप विद मी, डॉक्टर अपर्णा।